Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Stay home. Stay. Dear student, I welcome to you once again online support program from ASF Public School and College Karachi. Dear student, this week assignment week 30. Class prep week Monday till Friday we are giving the work and subject English. I am Miss Purdana from preschool. Dear student, it's Monday topic reading practice A, E, A and O A sound. Now so all of you open the book pages number 30 and 31 of textbook. Are you ready? Did you open the page number 30? Okay, now we are going to start the reading. Okay, reading practice A sound. First of all, put your finger spelling of gate. G-A-T-E, gate. Okay, page, face, plate, name, cake. Now come on the next sound. E, A, line. Put your finger spelling of line. L-I-N-E, E, line. Okay, now sound is A, E and A. Okay, 5, spelling of 5, F-I-V-E, 5, read it. 9, N-I-N-E, 9, 5, F-I-R-E, 5, okay. Now knife, white, time. And now sound of O-A. Now look at this word, nose, rose, bone, hole, stone. Okay, now in between side the sound of O, nose, and ending the sound of A. Okay, now so you have to read 2 or 3 times at home. Monday work only we are going to read. There is no written work. Okay, now come on the page number 31. Put your finger. Okay, numbers. 1 book, 2 trees, 3 boys, 4 girls, 5 hands, 6 baskets, 7 balls, 8 cups, 9 taps, 10 pens. And now all of you count with me, all of you. Put your finger over there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pictures are there? 7. Okay, now come on the next flowers. Okay, how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many? Next picture. Okay, count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. How many pens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So dear student, listen to me. On Monday only we have to read this page. Okay, I know that you can read very easily at home. Okay, now come on the next day. Next day Tuesday, and Tuesday topic how many. On this page we are learning how many. What is this over there? Okay, and page number 32. Open the page number 32 of textbook. Then we will do the question answer on it. Okay, now okay, are you ready? Now we are going to start reading first, then we will do the written work. Okay, on copy. First of all, read with me, all of you. Topic is how many. Observe the picture. Okay, did you see the picture? Okay, now read with me, all of you. Put your finger on the first line. There are 4 crows in the picture. 3 crows are flying. There are 6 ducks in the picture. Now fourth line, 5 ducks are in the water. There is one tree near the water. 2 men are sitting under the tree. Is it clear? Okay, focus on these lines. Okay, now first we have to read the sentences and count it and observe the picture. And now there are giving the some question over there, and then we will give the answer. First question is this. I am asking the question, then you will give the answer. Okay, now how many birds are there? Yes, give the answer. How many birds are there? 4 birds are there. Very good. How many ducks are in the water? Yes, 5 ducks. Very good. 5 ducks are in the water. Okay. How many trees are there? Yes, there is one tree near the water. Very good. How many crows are flying? How many crows are flying? Yes. 3 crows are flying. Yes. How many men are there? Look at there. How many men? Yes, 2 men are sitting under the tree. Very good. Now come on the question answer. Then this work we have to do on copy. As you know, 4-line copy we are using in CW. So you have to do and written work HW and write the question answer on the first line, then date CW H word W also added over there in the second corner. Okay, now my question first is, how many birds are there? How many birds are there? Yes, now answer is this. There are 4 birds, and then you have to put up there full stop. And then come on the question number 2 is, how many trees are there? Question mark also added there. So keep in mind, question mark also added there, and after complete the answer you have to put a full stop. Okay, now answer is, there is one tree. There is one tree. Okay, now only 2 question answer you have to do on 4-line copy. Okay, now come on the next. Okay, dear student, come on the Wednesday. Wednesday work is topic 8's IT8's page number 33 and phonic sound. Okay, now on this page we are going to learn phonic sound and about its student. We will read page number 33. Okay, now open the page number 33 of textbook. Did you open? Okay, now come on the topic. It's ITS 8. So dear student, read with me this one sentence. This is a big tree. Its leaves are green. This is a black dog. Its tail is short. This is an elephant. Its trunk is long. This is a white box. Its lock is strong. Okay, first sentence I explained. This is a big tree. Its leaves are green. ये एक बड़ा दरख्त है, इसके लीव्स, इसके पत्ते ग्रीन हैं. Is it clear? So read it the all this one sentences 1 or 2 times. Okay, now then come on the phonic practice. Phonic practice है C is sound. Okay, now read with me. R-O-C-K, rock. Rock. Next, clock. Ending sound th. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Stick. S-T-I-C-K, stick. Tick. T-I-C-K, tick. L-O-C-K, lock. C-O-C-K, cock. N-E-C-K, neck. B-L-A-C-K, black. Okay, dear student, come on the next. Next is, okay, student, now you will do the written work on copy, phonic practice, CK sound on copy. Okay, now first of all you will write the date and HW, and then you give it the topic, phonic practice, first line, and then under the margin you will give the numbers of word. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. First word is clock, then stick, take, lock, cock, neck, black. Okay, so you have to do on copy. Next day is Thursday. Thursday topic is fruit and vegetables, page number 34 of textbook. So dear student, you have to read page number 34 and you have learned fruits and vegetables name. It's very easy. Okay, now put your finger on it. Apples, bananas, oranges, yes, pears, grapes, plums, and okay, but you can understand this is not the, these are plural, okay, not a singular. One thing we call the singular and one thing we call the plural. Okay, more than one thing we call the plural, as you know we have learned it in last days. Okay, and now again we are learning on this page. So read with me all of you. Come on the next line. Look at the apples and bananas. Okay, the apples are red and the bananas are yellow. Okay, and why we are using and listen to me, keep in mind. Okay, and we are using the in between the two sentences. Okay, then we will continue the next sentence, so we add the and. Okay, I have explained in last previous classes. Okay, the oranges are big and the grapes are small. Okay, orange बड़े हैं, is it clear? And grapes are small, छोटे छोटे हैं. There are 2 pears and 5 plums in the picture. Is it clear? Learning on this page. Keep in mind, okay, word to word you have to read it on there. Okay, look at the vegetables, count them, all of you. Okay, count them, talk about their colors, and listen to me, student, very carefully. There is no written word. Okay, on Thursday there is no written word, just you have to read this page. Okay, now onions, potatoes, beans, peas, carrots, cabbage, cucumbers. Okay, I know that you can read very easily 2 or 3 times at home. Okay, revise these pages and again edit the date and as well. Okay, now come on the next day. Come on the next day. Next day is Friday. Friday's topic, read pages number 32 and 33 textbook. Okay, dear student, this pages you are going to revise, okay, on it, and I know that you have done it, but on Friday only we have to revise the pages. Okay, and then you will read out. Okay, again there are 4 crows in the picture. Okay, how many crows? Yes, there are 4 crows. Okay, 3 crows are flying. There are 6 ducks in the picture. 5 ducks are in the water. There is 1 tree near the water. 2 men are sitting under the tree and answer the question. Okay, and then just you have to read it on Friday. Okay, now come on the next page, page number 33. 33 we are learning on it. It's this is a big tree, its leaves are green. This is a big tree, its leaves are green. ये एक बड़ी दरख्त है, बड़ा दरख्त है, इसके लीव्स क्या हैं? ग्रीन है. अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज अ ब्लैक डॉग, ये एक ब्लैक डॉग है यानी एक काला कुत्ता है. ठीक है. इट्स टेल इज शॉर्ट, इसकी दुम छोटी है. इज इट क्लियर? सो प्लीज रीड आउट दिस पेज. ओके. एंड देन again this one sentences. This is an elephant, its trunk is long, इसकी trunk क्या है? लंबी है ना. okay. This is a white box. okay. and its lock is strong, इसका lock जो है strong है. okay now, so read it this way on Friday and then we will continue and we will come on with next lesson. okay. now I will give the sample of copy work, how to do written work on copy. So please read this page on Friday and then we will continue with new lesson. okay. So dear, thank you.